morning, everybody. I wanted to take a couple minutes before I get into my video today to just kind of show you the progress at my house. The ICF Master, I'll take you in there in a second, is just about ready for drywall, which is exciting. You can see right over here, I've got a hot tub getting ready to go in. Those right there are samples of turf. I'm gonna do some pretty cool turf all around my pool because just weed eated and you can see grass floating around in there. And I'm not gonna like that day in and day out. The she shed for my wife is ready for drywall. Been working on all this stuff nights and weekends basically since we've been back from Dolphin. My garage is over here, it's ready for drywall too. The only thing that's not 100% ready for drywall, and I'll bring you guys the installation of the turf, give you all the how-tos and stuff about that, is in here we just got the spray foam roof deck done in the last week. They came by, so I've still got to cut access into the old attic now that we're sealed and finish some wiring, get the mini split roughed in, and then obviously I haven't gone into it in detail, but there's the tight spiral that's going down into the man cave basement area. So anyway, I'm going to take you guys out to, if you guys remember Austin from all of my videos in down in Dolphin, we are going to go out there today and he's going to be showing you guys his new pool. Turned out really awesome. It's a 12-inch ICF Fox blocks that is up out of the ground about 2.5, 3 feet. Really cool brick wall all the way around it. He did Perla Noir Eco Finish, which is probably my favorite color. And yeah, he's invested in a product, and I just wanted to show you guys because a lot of guys are talking about all the different decking materials, what to do, how to do, all that. And so he's got this rubberized product. It's kind of like, if you guys remember, like when they started redoing like high school tracks back in the day, had that little bit of softness to it, but they were kind of hairy, really good to run on, but wouldn't have been a surface I'd want at my house. This product has that kind of springy, soft feel, but it's also smooth. Its granules are laid down with a trowel with a resin. It's pretty neat. I'm going to show it to you, and yeah, I'll be back next week with. We've had a problem. Our Eco Finish machine. We're using the same color on a commercial pool, and our Eco Finish machine broke. We had to ship it off to the manufacturer. We're supposed to get it back on Tuesday. I'm going to try to bring you guys that, as well as a bunch of other pools that are. We got like 5 pools almost wrapped up that are all super freaking cool. I'm going to bring you that, and also I've got a Colorado trip consulting on a cool pool up in the mountains, and I'm going to have a couple more of those consulting trips. We're going to start mixing that in between our trainings. Probably once a month I'm going to go out somewhere cool on a really cool project, bring all that to you guys, show you some really neat stuff people are doing with ICF. So I'm going to take you guys out to Austin's place right now, and I'll see you guys next week. Hey everybody, you probably remember Austin from all the Dolphin Island builds. We couldn't have done it without him and his crew. Couple of announcements real quick. Training in June is pretty much full, but I will have some very specific things about the little pop-up training on the skin microplaster that we're doing over Memorial Day weekend. I'll have that sometime in a video midweek, but I wanted to show off, this is one of Austin's builds here. It's got the Perla Noir Eco Finish. My guys did that a couple weeks ago. And Austin does a very cool rubberized coating. I mean, everyone's always talking about what to do on the pool decks. This is one, we were out at World of Concrete and saw this together, and he fell in love with it, and now I see why. It's super cool. It, let's see, it's antimicrobial. It is sound deadening. Sorry, he's supposed to be talking about it, but he's enjoying his pool a little bit already tonight. Antimicrobial.
There we go.
Antimicrobial. And it's sound deadening. It's almost like it doesn't transfer any sound, but it's also real easy on your feet. It's got a little bit of
slip
give
resistant.
to it. Slip resistant. So that's big for commercial projects where you can't, where you slip and falls and stuff are an issue. This has like 3 or 4 times less slippage than regular concrete or definitely tile, stuff like that. It's supposed to be better on your joints, which, I mean, it's just dampening as far as the vibration and stuff goes. And so the colors are blended, right?
Yes, you can get about any color you want.
Yeah, because I can see beige, black, and red in this to make this really cool brick red pattern, which really goes good with with his brick here. And like I said, his pool up here it's elevated about halfway out of the ground, which ICF makes that really, really easy. And he's got a really cool shear descent here we'll turn on in a second. But he's got the freaking peanut gallery behind him messing with him here. But they're breaking in their pool tonight. I wanted to shoot a little content. So you saw from the drone, it's a pretty nice setting. Got a feeling you're going to be doing a lot less work this summer than normal because of this. But anyway, anything to add about this product? Or?
No, we're going to cut out some strips, put some black pinstriping in here. You can do about any design you want in this. It's very...
You can logo real easy.
Yes.
Kind of like the Eco where we did that
Yes.
thing in Dolphin Island, but you can do this after the fact. You can,
Correct.
That's nice. So anyway, without further ado, I think Austin needs to break his pool in.
All right.
Okay, Austin had bought 2 of our shear descent kits when he got all the supplies for this pool. This is an ill-advised jump into 4.5 feet of water, guys. So don't try this at home.
Yeah. Oh shit.